Good morning, everyone. Welcome to an exciting new episode of the Daily Eye. I'm your host, Tone Vase. Matt McGregor should be back with us next week, but I will continue to finish out this week on my own. Let me make sure that everything is streaming and everything looks good. All right. Now let's go straight to the charts and see what is going on. All right, here is our weekly chart. The candle looks identical. Oh, sorry, this is a monthly chart. The candle looks identical like it has for the last several weeks. Not much is really happening here. The weekly chart is putting in a nice green candle. I still do not like the CMF. It's looking like it's declining. I don't like any of the metrics. I don't like the RSI either. It feels like it wants to reset, and the MACD continues to decline. Even though the price action has given us some bullish action, the oscillators look like they are in complete disarray, and we are stuck under a very critical moving average. Let's slide over to the allocation chart. As I said on yesterday's stream and probably the stream before that, the allocation chart needs a lot more strength before bullish positions could be taken on. At the least, we need a moving average crossover and a rise in the 9-period moving average. That's our blue-looking moving average. Neither of that is happening, and then we need to start challenging the long-term moving average. You see right here, all of that was true. Near the top of this candle that reversed us, the yellow moving average was already flat and about to start rising with one more bullish candle. And we had the crossover, we had everything working in our favor. Here is a much weaker situation, so we continue to wait, but time is on our side. We are back in this blue path, and as long as we are in this blue path, there's really no conviction. It is completely neutral. People are questioning my microphone. No, I'm using the roads. I mean, I can put it closer to me. Is there an audio problem? One second. One second. Hi. Let me switch the mics around real quick. Right now, I am using my webcam mic. I have to go back to my roads. And now I'm back on the road, so I'm hoping that the microphone is better. All right. Well, I'm back on the roads. Maybe switching the mics would. I don't know why sound disappeared. Like my microphones are plugged in, everything is working. I don't know. I don't know why the sound just disappeared. I'm using my webcam. I don't know. I have no clue. Everything is no. Oh, we're starting to reverse now. The S&P 500 is that's gold. Gold is topping as well. S&P 500 is breaking out to new all-time highs. I didn't think it would happen this quickly. I thought it would struggle a little bit, but S&P should be at a new all-time high today or tomorrow. However, keep in mind that the daily S&P is on an MRI top. I believe a pullback is in order here. So either today or tomorrow, I think the market is going to pull back. So I would not be rushing into stocks today. I think tomorrow is Fed's Jackson Hole speech. And let's see what he says about the interest rate. I don't really have much else to say, and there's audio problems. So how can I end the stream here? Bitcoin is reversing nicely. I don't really understand why Bitcoin was struggling in the beginning. Oh, because the stock market opened and started falling into 10 a.m. And right now we are probably in the midst of a 10 a.m. reversal. I don't really look at funding rates anymore. They haven't been very useful. Maybe it's because no one trades on BitMEX anymore. That was the only useful funding rate. And I only pay attention to it when it spikes, and it hasn't spiked in since March, basically. Like this is just neutral. We need to see a spike. Without a massive out of the bound spike, it's not really that relevant. We're just keeping an eye on these consolidations to see where we're actually going to consolidate. We'd love for us to start consolidating above the 50 period moving average. So start to consolidate between 51, 61, and 64. If we have that consolidation for a few weeks, it'll be very bullish. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this go. I'm tired of complaints about the audio because I don't have the ability to fix it, and there may or may not be a stream tomorrow. So well, let's see. Well, I'll decide in the morning. All right, guys, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Guys.